there. Hi there. You're gonna fall. Go slow. Go slow, buddy. He's on the chair. You find the fence? Hi. You're gonna fall. Careful. Good job. Good job. Got your balance, huh? Bye-bye. 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 Where are you going? Bye-bye. Oh, told you were gonna fall. Hey. No crawling. Come here. Come here. Kale. Kale. Did you see the puppy? Where did you go? Come here. Come get the camera. He doesn't care anymore. He's on the fence. Whew. You fall down? You're okay though. That's gross grass. Hi there. You gonna crawl now? Alright. Come here. Hey. Slow down, slow down. Slow down. You go too fast. Don't go too fast, buddy. Slow down. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh. Ah. Woohoo. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Daddy wants the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Stand back up. Here, buddy. Kale. Here you go. That wasn't standing. Tripped over his own shoe. No, it's not. Is it? No, they're on. I told you, they weren't coming off. Oh, man. Hey! Hi there! Are you going to the car? Is that where you're going? I'll follow you to the car. Oh! There's more fun stuff on the ground, Daddy. I'm coming! I said I was coming. I'm just going slower than you. I'm following you. Go! Whoa. You went to the grass. Aww. Hi, I'm behind you. What is he doing? We don't eat leaves. We're not vegetarians. We're meat eaters. We eat chicken every day. We love our chicken. Going. Where you going? We're going to the car, bud. You know where we park. No, he's about to leave. We don't eat leaves. You know that. You had one once and you didn't like it very much. Where's Daddy? Yeah, where's Daddy? He's like, I want the grass. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Ooh. No, we're going to the car, not me. Hi, how are you? The car's this way. No, we're not going to me. We're going to the car. Car! Keep going. Oh! More leaves! Ew! Where's Daddy? He's learning ways to get around you. That was a good balance catch there. Yeah! Did you find the bed? Where's the bed?
Did you get in the bed?
Mm-hmm. You done with that then? Okay. No, we're not done? Where's the car? You fall down? He likes the motorcycle. Are we done?